Welcome to the first video on a series for creating an AI computer vision bot for fishing in World of Warcraft. This project will be very interesting as it will cover Python, it will cover some more advanced parts of Python, as well as computer vision and the OpenCV library. But before we get started, I'd like to quickly show you the types of things that we'll be doing. And I'd like to show you a working example of the AI so that you can make sure that this project is something you're interested in. So first, it's very important that you have a basic understanding of Python. It's important that you understand object-oriented programming and functions, classes, and of course variables. If you have a good understanding of those, then you can probably be able to keep up with this tutorial. If you're confused, for example, by this part of the code here that defines a class and it defines the init function, then before you get started with this tutorial, I suggest you work through some more entry-level Python tutorials to get a solid footing on object-oriented programming. We'll also be looking at some more advanced parts of Python, such as threading, which I will probably cover in a bit more detail. So it's not critical that you understand everything about threading, as I'll be working those step by step. We'll be using some libraries such as PIL for images, Python's image library, NumPy, and CV2, which is OpenCV. OpenCV is the computer vision library that we'll be using, and it's a cornerstone of this project. Now I'd like to introduce to you a working demo of the project. I have a screenshot from the game World of Warcraft which shows the player fishing and the fishing bobber and the location of their mouse. I'm using a screenshot for the purposes of demoing the unit to you now because it's difficult to capture video and run the computer vision and run the game, as my computer has trouble keeping up with all of those. There is a video that's available linked below that shows the agent in operation in real time in a game. But I can use this screenshot to give you an idea of what the agent will do in the game. So first I'll run the agent. If I can type my commands correctly. So we're going to run this with Python, and Wowzer is the name of the Python file that I chose. And I've just put some basic, information on the screen to kind of make it feel like a complete program. So the S key will start the main agent. The main agent will run and begin capturing the screen and storing that. So it also displays the FPS, the frames per second, to give you an idea of the performance, the implementation. So currently the agent's running at around 51, maybe 38, so somewhere around 30 to 40 frames per second, which is acceptable for our purposes. I've added some other things that we won't talk about now, like setting the zone where you're fishing, but F will start, when I press the F key, it will start the fishing thread, it will start the fishing agent, and that will actually be doing the work of moving the mouse, clicking the buttons. So when I press F, it's actually going to start. So now it's starting the fishing thread in 10 seconds. So that gives you a little bit of time to move windows around and whatnot. So what you're going to notice is that it's going to cast as if it was in the game. Of course, it's not really casting. And then it's going to try to find the fishing bobber. And in this case, it found the bobber and moved my mouse, the hand mouse, of course, not the World of Warcraft mouse, since that's a picture. It moved the hand mouse to the location of the bobber, exactly where it should be. And now it's waiting. It's waiting for that bobber to move, indicating a fish bite. And of course, this is a picture, so that's never going to happen. So I'll move my mouse, even though it doesn't really care about the position of the mouse. It just cares about the position of the bobber. And it timed out. So the reason you saw that right click was it tried to right click on that bobber, but it timed out. It took so long that it assumed that an error happened and it needed to recast. So now it's going to cast again. So you can see casting. and it moved the mouse back onto the bobber, and now it's waiting again. So this time I'm going to shake the picture a little bit like it was the bobber moving in World of Warcraft. If I just shake it a little bit, and boom, you see bite detected, and it clicked, and it would have clicked on that fish. So that's how the agent's going to work. It's going to cast the fishing line for us. It's going to watch the bobber. It's going to put the mouse hand right on the bobber. And as soon as it thinks that bobber has moved, like I'll move it again, as soon as it sees it move, fish bite, boom, it's going to say we got a fish, and it's going to catch that fish for us. So that's the bot. Last, I'd like to point out that I'm using Linux as my operating system. And this may have a small impact on the implementation of the program, but almost all of the Python code should be the same for both Windows and Mac users. That being said, I would like to fully disclose that I'm using Linux, and there are a few functions that are specific to Linux that may need to be adjusted for your operating system. But don't let that hold you up from following this course. I think that you can learn a lot about Python, OpenCV, and computer vision, as well as artificial intelligence, and you'll be able to implement those on your system, whether you're using Linux, Mac, or Windows. So hopefully you'll stick around if the project looks interesting, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.